Ever wondered how top organizations consistently build successful teams? Imagine having the secret formula to find the perfect fit for any role in your business. Stay tuned as we dive into transformative strategies that reveal how the right hires can redefine your success and elevate your team's performance to new heights. The Wal-Mart Effect by Charles Fishman explores the profound impact of Wal-Mart on the retail industry and the global economy. The book delves into how the retail giant's operational strategies, economic practices, and corporate philosophies have reshaped the landscape of retail, influencing everything from consumer behavior to supply chains and global manufacturing. Fishman begins by illustrating Wal-Mart's rise from a small discount store in Bentonville, Arkansas, to the world's largest retailer. Central to Wal-Mart's success is its commitment to efficiency, cost control, and customer satisfaction. Fishman explains how Wal-Mart's ability to offer lower prices through aggressive cost management and economies of scale has transformed the retail industry. This approach has set new standards for pricing and has pressured other retailers to adopt similar practices to remain competitive. The book delves into Wal-Mart's intricate supply chain management system, which is pivotal to its business model. Fishman describes how Wal-Mart utilizes advanced logistics and technology to manage its inventory and streamline operations. The company's implementation of a sophisticated inventory management system, which includes real-time data and an expansive network of distribution centers, allows it to keep costs down and respond quickly to consumer demand. This efficiency has made Wal-Mart a model for other businesses seeking to optimize their operations. Fishman also addresses the broader economic and social implications of Wal-Mart's dominance. The book examines the impact on small businesses, local economies, and the labor market. The arrival of a Wal-Mart in a community often leads to the closure of smaller, local retailers unable to compete with its low prices. While consumers benefit from lower prices, the loss of local businesses can weaken community ties and diminish economic diversity. Additionally, Fishman explores the challenges Wal-Mart faces, including criticism over labor practices and its environmental footprint. The book discusses issues such as employee wages, working conditions, and the company's role in promoting low-wage jobs. Fishman highlights the efforts Wal-Mart has made to address these criticisms, including initiatives to improve sustainability and enhance employee benefits, but also notes the ongoing debates surrounding these efforts. The book also emphasizes Wal-Mart's influence on global supply chains. Wal-Mart's demand for low prices has a cascading effect on manufacturers worldwide. The pressure to meet Wal-Mart's pricing requirements often leads to cost-cutting measures that can impact workers' wages and working conditions in developing countries. Fishman discusses the ethical implications of this dynamic and the responsibilities of large retailers in ensuring fair labor practices across their supply chains. The Wal-Mart Effect provides a comprehensive analysis of Wal-Mart's impact on the retail sector and the broader economy. Fishman's exploration reveals how Wal-Mart's business practices have not only reshaped retail but also influenced global economic trends and consumer behavior. Through detailed case studies and insightful analysis, Fishman offers a critical look at the ways in which Wal-Mart's success story reflects broader changes in the global marketplace. The book serves as both a cautionary tale and a valuable resource for understanding the complexities of modern retail and its far-reaching effects.